Okay, this is a retrofit application window. This is a new construction application window. A retrofit window, which in this case is referred to as a Z-bar window, is put in over your existing windows. So there's a big difference there. If you're dealing with permit, more times than not, if you're dealing with a new construction window, you're going to have to get a permit because you are actually changing the things the building department wants to see. In most cities, a retrofit window, you don't need a permit for. If you want to change the size of a window, you want to make it wider, you want to make it taller, smaller, if you want to turn a window into a door or a door into a window, those might be reasons where you might need to use a new construction window. If you are patching stucco, one thing that I've learned over the last 31 years is if stucco is stucco and it has never been painted, you can do a pretty good job of matching the color, unless it's 30 or 40 years old and it's faded. But if you've got paint all over your house and then you come in with a stucco patch, it's really hard to match that unless you have the paint. So if you've got paint and it's still in good shape, that's a great way to make your patch disappear.